Welcome to Wilk Factory. We collaborate with top brands and maintain long-term partnerships. Here, you can see our machines in operation. Once formed, the bottles move along the production line to a designated area. We have 5 production lines, producing different bottle types each day. Each line can produce up to 10,000 bottles daily. After production, every bottle undergoes manual inspection and is carefully packed into cartons and pallets. We ensure that every bottle delivered to you is flawless.